Hey, welcome back to the section C of tutorial section part number 2, functionality. I know it's keeping growing and growing, and now in this tutorial we will be learning or continuing our project and try to implement the functionality of replaying the whole game on tab, and also try to implement the counter. And let's see, let's go back to where we left. This is what we have so far, and then this game is basically like that game over just comes on and off automatically by itself, but I want to be able to actually do it on my own with a click on the touch screen, right? So in order to do that, let's go and see. Let's just, I think this is what's happening. It's just like doing switch on and off our pulls. So because this is flipping on and off, so I'll just turn it on when it touches it, right? And now that's why it's just like always on. If I switch it to off, it will just disappear. It should disappear when it touches and never appear it back. So you guys see the logic right behind. But for now, I'll keep it on, smooth it right here, and then add not functionality to here, and then connect that to that. So it's like an if-else statement. So we keep this for now. Okay. And next step will be kind of cleaning up what we have a little bit. Also, I think we need to go back to this section, bring this down, and where to fit this. It's kind of messy. I'll just bring this all the way to here. Bring the value, and then I will rename this to play value. And then I switch this from number to boolean, and I will want to have a pulse on the pulse right here. So I'll just bring this down. I love how the functionality, how it's just like so cool to manipulate this stuff. And then maybe I'll just like comment this section, and I will just remove. I will name it. Oh no, that's not what I want. Move game over, and I think I got some type of warning. But anyways, so I'll jump from here and I will bring my pulse to my switch, which will be all the way to down, and I think it should be working now. It should so far, but let's go and check. Oh sweet, see, I have my tab working and I turn it off. Okay, so the game ended, game over. I clicked that and it started again. That's how I was able to remove the background, like the game over part. Sweet, this is working. Not usually works like that so fast, but I'm glad this is the time it's working. And let's go try to implement functionality of the counter. So like this number will keep changing every time we pass the obstacle. So in order to do that, let's on equal section we will go and add pulse. And the pulse we will just like actually on my switch we will just mount section and bring that to end. And so you just like follow me guys, and I know it's kind of complicating, I'll just bring this down, and I will bring, let's rename this to game play and not game over. Game over. And let's say we'll just go here and section, I'll bring this down. This should be, so like check this out. If I connect pulse to add, it automatically adds switch. So I will add pulse from and this is what we have. And a section that will calculate and count on each time we jump and pass the obstacle is the counter functionality. So here's the, we just broke the counter functionality, and then we will just increase it every time we pass the obstacle. So okay, let's turn on the mic camera, and I'll just test this out. And right now, let's see, 10 seconds. So I just restarted my project, and it seems to be working now, like it's jumps. So each obstacle I pass, the duration of my character is just so long. But like, in order to demonstrate that to you guys, I want to show you when the counter just increased. See, it jumped 3 times when I passed each obstacle before this actually appeared. So I want my game to last me till like this specific score. So I just want this to go forever, almost. But let's fix that jump, like it's just annoying. I will just go to my character animation, and then my duration on my character animation is kind of low, so I'll fix this to 0.8 maybe. Okay, about 0.5. Okay, 0.3. It's better, but I want to give this 0.5 so it's easier to pass the obstacle. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, let's go and jump to... Okay, let's go ahead and fix a couple of things we have left. First of all, let's just like rename this one to switch. I will just go with switch game over. Yeah, switch game over. And we will go ahead and add the different switch. And in this switch, okay, this kind of getting complicated because we will have to bring this here, and this one there. Actually, it's the opposite. This one here, this one here. Alright, but then we will have this stuff right here. It pulls, and then it pulls section will jump to our counter jump right here. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, I think it's increasing, but oh, another thing, I need to fix this part. So instead of flip, this has to go to on and off. Yeah. So for functionality part, we're done. We will be adding some scripts just in a second and see the other sections.